Okay, FM. Okay. 101.7.
Honorable Clement Park, I am a Sebegania. Wojina wo Emma Busa South. Na yeneno ebeko the Busa way. Honorable Memwache.
Bajo kwame me chao me chepe fo nyina so.
Chefo nyina jo so no pombo ko de.
Me ho ye na me wura na aho.
Adai obi abo.
No kwa de sanke ye. Oje double slapper na o de akosho o half far. De tiene se so be ka ya am se bos na o twi ba ku mi ni bi etwa mu no. Nsuo etopa ewo Northern Ghana na apa nsuo no eyiri na bibi a essential nyoma bebre no na me mpeso aso eka ho enti Busa South yehwe Accra miensa dan abubu egu from there enya dia metumi akan schools a nsuo no access and zinc ne na nyoma ene fu amanfo adododo aye adwumaden na nsuo no abese ni nyina no asem kese pa enti meguso a me stress ni ma ha me de boa omomo ho but o se me bo mampeni dada NDC flag bearer John Ramani mama so me bona abaso obo apro eba me peso so e ma me de ne ko Gbedemblisi the most affected community. Ama ono okokasa.
Mebo, mo wana. Yes. Former president ba ya wodi ba yire ni niema ba no.
Sa ai.
Okay.
Obedu Gbedemblisi, obedu akwa na abobe 7 anajo. Na nipa no dodo na akwa so ma. But say the otiane de, o say nkrofo suna say oye ni say ato omo a o say otumi edu hona kitu ebi ono so wono ode bo omo nti yekodu Gbedemblisi be 7:45 but menyina amuno obroni be ka the damage is too much nti no yeguswa me making contacts to mobilize more to support the people nti no na ama miraho but ebendeng anya be dia o se pe kwan ebe fa na e dia soso anu na nadbo nso no I was almost sorry waka na omutima emwa no edu nkrofo no say omo ya kechiri kakra nti ma menfa akwenye na menka jo mo say amanfo ebre nti relief supplies any other items na was say etumi de bo na amanfo omo moti asie no at least the suffering would reduce no omo ma sa anyama no entumi nkodu nkrofo no
na mama wiade wo yi o oman de esisie enyem wonko akrankran hanso ebi asisi enum ne ade a bridges bubu bonsensuo no to atema moto we na flade nim ne ade kumase yesi nipa asat now no nipa be 11 and counting na wonu mawuo ede na picture ne twakere yen na de na wo a esietu anamo ba na esietu so oman
kwame we bisa asem kese pa
because
ewiase no nsesaye ebam obroni be ka climate change so in the past few years no also the we near fikakra what to me ehun say weather systems no asesa nyasa anka October pa nso etumi eto na eyiri se de eyiri ya nkenya ade anka tete no etaba na sa by any saying ya nipa we the human beings your behavior ni ye so north there part of the reason has to do with forest cover na yes no and a forest cover na yes no and yes traditional ways na anka obi bakwa kwaya kakra na wado na efuo no the age ni say ye nu ya no bebre amanfo etwitwa no edim komo bebre several times to do with rosewood ye twitwa the northern part of Ghana. Sa dwe dua etumi ewo hobe 50 to 100 years. Now in the last few years, we've been able to destroy the rosewood population in most of the northern part of this country. And this tree, no, it doesn't just provide forest cover, but and also no, idea the presence no, affect water table no, and the critical account. And then I say, no, and yet rose to Bunkwana more for almost our trees, almost trees. And it's a say now, by all means, affected climatic regime, any weather patterns. There's no car. Na yiri na fa nipa na essay yemfu na essay in Dubai. That is what is going on. In other part of the country too, no. As one thing, baby, I need to go dying. Ubehu marsh area, ubehu Ramsat area. Na amount for atontong sansa, so no, ebikwa illegal. Na omako juri more akogugu ho. Na mo be dying. Na baby a concrete nko a the abana sana so a nso ne ba ani baby a befa na eyiri na efa yen ana third point nso aye fi trash plastics baby a bebre ni baby kwa nanka kane no drains ewo airport residential East Legon Trasako Numo wa kan or the saying motorway gutters ni nyina aye choked. If it's a fino at the crow city no, the show no car, drains no pie or no, and so no end to me for drains no more. Na eyiri. It all in all no, all of this that we are seeing is a product of human cultural behavior. The answer is subain in terms of protecting the environment, in terms of not building in marsh areas or traditionally Ramsat areas. Any small streams now, yeah, feel the DCC are dying now. And a fino to Yanfe, na Yanfa, a fino and to be our circle. Now, unum sachet, now what watching, unum cook, now bottle, no what watching, wakoto watch it, plastic, no what watching the piano. These are going to be the consequences. And then let me say it emphatically. Nature would always prevail over culture. Whether we like it or not, you know, in spite of your technology, need to be there. We can never defeat nature. So the best we can do is to live in harmony with nature. If we don't come to that realization now, the other day, you know, where your comedies.
Na mamemra samba kosuswe. Eno amrase bedwem. Mu decry the culture say ye ko primary sia. Na aspirants no enu je delegates no bi wa just all camp no be bi wa the next 4 years now be ko primaries in the political party and just all hwe constituency ni sa executives no the utua no be school fees utua next say monetization na body politic mo kan ho asem na wo gina say
me la celebrate anu na me wo on the floor and mini akitwa ni mi comrade Raz Mubarak statement na oya no and say nipa do wanna make contributions na so tie contributions ni nyina and say na obia adwen ekobem kro say the ekono say asomai ya sorry anso anwa dachi the or how and the brain and say our politics in this country has been monetized. Nyame na America. Nipa do do na amokwa no. Omaya politics ache. Yetumi from mo say omoye leaders in our country. Omaka ho asem. So bekaya second deputy speaker the longest serving member of parliament. Yeah, Don Kuma of parliament, your friend father. Alban Bagwin. Waka ho asem sa the current majority leader, Honorable State Chairman, sir, Bonsu, also Akawasam, Speaker Crown, so Akawasam, Majority Civil Society, Animal Move Media, and Mark on Wasam. The Atiana said, and the Quemum said, Yadaya was said to me, supported Ngoform War on Pesoso, say, school fees so say obi akwa CBT bi kra for omoko warea and as a motor mobadia. Oba Hona say, work a couple media more. And the Quan Swano. But I'm saying, common age, and yeah, and no, and common. Yeah, specific to elections. Say, Ubejina as a parliamentary candidate. And as simple, so we need as a parliamentary candidate, say, Mama, we need now over contested the main election. No. And no, na ye di wa uncommon. As Mubarak Edituja. And my examples from other parts of the world. Was also a Casafa, a loss near Mra. I was Senka, ye di ejuma. Eti nipa do na enene adwen say it is about time that as a nation we have a national dialogue devoid of the usual MPP and NDC politicking. Because if we don't take time and this continues, then what is going to happen is maybe the highest bidder is going to be the person who is going to get elected. And there are people who engage in fraud to get money. There are people who are drug barons and get money. There are people who are corrupt and they use corruption to get money. Rosewood, the illegal traders of Rosewood, they have money. Matikwa say they will sponsor people against me because of the advocacy I'm bringing against them. So are we going to allow persons who don't have the interest of this nation at heart, who are going to use money from all kinds of dubious backgrounds to come and take over the leadership of this country as members of parliament, perhaps even as presidents, and even perhaps as leaders of GFA, as leaders of unions? Where is that going to take us? So I think at the end of the day, Speaker Emma ruling, one of the committees in Parliament, they should invite stakeholders, including political parties, for us to look at this issue and try to find a solution to it. But it is going to take us as a nation. Party beer, group beer, stakeholder beer, again. Na yanhwe de be ya betumi aso ano ko be bi e kone de na mienum ene ne krede ya anso ano a daachi omo ombeji oman se ombebu man no enye ne papa
na mama hwa de ba ko na misanfa hunwie so na se de wadane ayi project manager yes wo se won nam senior high school sumu situations e wo ho no,
said me a member of the Parliamentary Subcommittee on Education, the deputy ranking member.
Okay.
And as a committee, your oversight responsibilities in as far as the sector is concerned. In the BDR, it is part of our responsibility. And I want to say, free senior high school, it has come to stay. Mrapono, Asha and say, what say na MPP Bayano, Omo, I implement no. Eti, I was say it to me, etu anamona, you call the field, now you could the air coso. Eti, I know a problem a boy as a committee with as a committee of parliament with the support of Star Ghana. The committee you call 12 senior high schools. Bono East, Ahafo, and Ashanti. Na de ko hu yane de ne kwane de ba kope. De achachirefo no bi eka so mpi abonte be ka na ya di mo to omo anase ya transfer omo na bebre abohu anansen omuntumi enka de ekoso no ya yehu ye sanso tie the non-teaching staff and also eka haumo pressure abeto mo so no nyina so ye de ni hu ye sanso tie omo the tie ne say free senior to mu de aba ya de but challenges no e wo edoso eti I was say ye de nkwe no eye adwuma so that we can address it and make it better. And on me flag bearer former President John Mahama, did the outcome of one TSN because said there are challenges. Now, I'm talking and the address challenges now. enya ade a mfaso no ye benya na sidi ete so mfaso but ebet ma so mfaso no more and I know na epe and that is why it must be made better. And to make it better, no, we must address the challenges. Now, the who are not there, overcrowding in the classrooms, you know, the idea that who projects government say 804 various levels of completion. No, schools now acquire no, not even one has been completed for use yet. The one that we saw,
804. Doc, 804.
804, yes. Tell Ministry of Education.
Okay.
And I do two jobs. Before schools open in September, no. Na some komo yedi. Nti yana mo be challenge you almost get some contractors here in Tria Omoka. Eti ada omo CC with various campuses, no. There 766 na in Tria Omoka. They will lock them. I'm say do one you Tria Omoka. Enti na yedi say by this time na omo. But I mind be true through the Ministry of Education. Say 804 structures were being built and they were at various stages of completion. And the argument was that structures now it will reduce the pressure. Emma board chair of GS Krabeka said, coming this September we are a because of the coming on stream of those 804 structures, you know, at least 350 senior high schools would be weaned off the double track system. And see, it has confirmed that the overcrowding is still a problem in terms of the dining halls, in terms of the dormitories, in terms of the classrooms. The issue of furniture in Konya and Koranibet Nasu continues to be a problem. Almost 30 Juma, the beginning of last academic year, September. They be seen that omunya vacation dia NG home. Kitchen staff, any other non-teaching staff, and also no. For a whole year, they have not had any rest. And the woman no.
Mebao. Wamunya are omu pod no omu kofi.
Yeah, omu kofi say no dey say we ejuma, we are open kofi.
Now nya rest say.
Utimi enya ahumgie. Say wa we ejuma say once say Utmi ekwaje wa home kakra ewo Norway na wa hwe snow kakra. So yes. Eti anka kane no senka long vacation na teachers no so no. Omo dey ahwe how far bia wo busuafo bi ewo kepa na ofri fumbisi na wakosra omo ana sempo peso ba akra ebe check 1212 the whole year watch ade sa unya kwan. And you know, it is wearing them down. It is putting too much pressure. And for I catch me in private that it is affecting their psychological well-being. And yet, and all of this definitely has an impact on effective teaching and learning. Don't come on there. You better have press conference into the way to the idea. You're the na ya twaso.
Obeni medase no pay. Yes, I say, Honorable Dr. Clement Park, MP for Booster South, and I know I think on K101.7. So in the
OKFM 101.7.